Good morning, Mark.
Morning, morning, morning. How we doing?
Good.
Whoa, whoa,
Whoa. Almost breaking my legs here. Exactly. Good morning, everybody. New day, new adventures. Starting the day off going to the National Monument here in Vught, because today is a special day for the British, or is it worldwide? Oh,
I don't know. I thought it was worldwide, but in Britain we do it at 11 o'clock on the 11th day on the 11th month.
So we're going to the monument over here, National Monument, and have our minute of silence there. And then we go on some more adventures, hopefully find some war relics.
Hopefully.
So we're at the Vught Memorial, Dutch National Memorial. It's the place where the prisoners got shot. After about a half an hour drive, we found our location that we hoped to find some more war relics again. And it started with a great first find that gave us hope for a lot of good things to come today. Nice one. So .50, 43 marked. Cool piece. What you got?
Didn't old barbed wire without the knots, or is it just wire? Or
Just wire?
what's that then?
Yeah, some wire. Yeah.
Yeah.
But look what I found.
Boom.
.50 cal.
Nice, mate.
There.
Yeah. Beautiful. Let me film that.
So
Hold on to it.
there has been a .50 cal here that's either like from a tank or.
Well, we've just started. I found some old wire, probably to do with something in the war, but Bass has done me and found a 50 cal shell, 50
Yes.
cal shell.
Nicely 43 marked.
Nice.
So there either had been a .50 cal machine gun position here,
Yeah.
but to be honest, I think it were the tanks
Off the tank
driving up
coming in.
here, firing at the position where we were.
We were watching a video last night, and like this was the start of like the basically. So the British came from over there, the Polish there, and the Germans were in this forest there. Had a quick fight here. Run like a bit of a good scene around here, so
Yeah.
let's see what else we can find.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And with the .50 cal, I want to here check out this point here, mate. If there's one, there's more. Okay. Strange. Dump hole. Like cooking pan or something. Old barrel. This is just a big dump hole, but it's just hard, really hard. It takes me too much time to get it out for what it's worth. So I'll close the gap. People don't fall in. All right, that's funny. Little spoon. Let's see if we can clean it up nicely and what comes out of it. I found a spoon here. What you got there, matey?
Is it a can or what? I don't know.
Yeah, at the bottom it looks like a can.
Yeah. Is it a shell? Bottom of a shell?
No.
It's got right in it, is it? It's got... Oh.
I don't know, mate. Just hold it aside, eh, and check what else there is.
That's not metal, is it? Beep it.
Mark doing his thing.
Yeah. Getting my hands dirty.
Getting his hands dirty. Finally he's doing something. No, we've been finding a lot of cool stuff on this location here. Over there you see German foxholes. Over there is a retaining wall. We found a lot of casings there, so you had the British coming in here for the attack against the German positions here. So hopefully we're gonna find some more. Yeah, it could be a piece of shrapnel, Mark, or just be careful, right? If it's ammunition, then... Oh wait, yeah.
Oh,
There's some copper coming up there,
could
mate.
Could be a belt buckle, that.
Mate, you're right.
What?
Looks to be, yeah, mate. This might be a British belt buckle. Really? Check the canvas in there. Mate, you're right.
Yeah. Square, isn't it? So
yeah, exactly, and over. Yeah,
100%. Should we not
mate.
bang it anymore? Should we leave it like that and better off?
We can check it out at home in the evening, clean it up a little bit better. But I have, look, because I sell the war material, and I can tell you this is a small, could be like equipment buckle, but
there's more stuff here as well. It's going.
See, I told you, mate. Let's go. There could be civilian stuff in here. Here, hold it. Take it with you.
Yeah.
Mark's been digging up like civilian material there. But what happened after the war, especially in locations where people lived, they had the dump holes.
Could have been a soldier's pot, couldn't it? You don't know. You don't know what it was, do you? So
exactly.
It goes together.
Anyway, civilians, they filled in the holes with their own garbage. So you have to dig through the civilian garbage, and underneath that you will very often find the militaria gear. So yeah, let's keep searching.
Yeah, whatever that is.
Oh.
Just be
Check. Nice little casing. Fired. Here another one. Ah, that's nice to find, eh? Also fired one. So every peep I'm getting here is a casing.
yeah. So where we were yesterday is probably where the Germans were dug in, weren't it? Like we know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, another casing.
Great. What does it have the round? If it goes inside, it's German. British.
Yeah, British.
Yeah.
Tells it's
Here, another one. Yeah, just right there.
there's not been done this, has it? You know what I mean? No one, no, because it's dead shallow, isn't it?
Yeah.
No one's dug this, have they?
Nobody. No, this has been laying here for 80 years, mate. Really happy. So Mark up here is digging a typical dump hole. And of course we're gonna hope to find the German helmet in there.
Another can.
So right now we're on a German position. And I'm digging out a piece of aluminium here, which I think is aircraft. Curious what that will bring. Bit of rain, but we're good in the forest. Another one. Whoop, whoop. Oh. Yeah, they've been firing it up here.
What's that?
Just everywhere casings. Yeah, another one. So there was a shooting position here. This is 100% where German positions were, man.
Yeah.
Look there, holes, holes. This is where they were. The British came from the hill there and bap, 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 you know, like.
Sometimes you like grab a piece of metal, like a bit of earth, and it goes mad. And it's like,
Shrapnel.
I don't know, like gunpowder in a pile or something like that.
Loads of casings here, but.
Yeah. Whoa.
What? I found 7 already here.
Yeah.
10 centimeters. And another one here.
Yeah.
2 at the same spot. So that's firing here, mate. Battle here.
Yeah. On that big line.
Because if you, theoretically, if you find one, you can find more, right? It's like shooting position from the soldier. Especially if you're on a hill.
Are you ready?
I am, yeah. So,
2 hours later.
2 hours later, exactly, you know. You always have these dump holes where after the war or during the war people just dump their stuff. And Mark found one, I found one.
Over there, big old.
Yeah, and look here, it's the pile of stuff that comes out. It's all bottles from the soldiers and cooking gear and wiring. But then I came across a piece of aluminium, and I do think it's aircraft actually, that they probably used for cover. And after 2 hours of digging, I think I can now pull it out. So there was a big tree branch here.
Go on, Bass. Go on, pull it out. Go on, lad. Go on, lad. Look at that.
Yeah, it's aircraft, mate. It's
Yeah.
aircraft.
I could have used it as like a shelter. It could have been the roof on the.
Exactly.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. What makes me think it's aircraft is this. How do you call it?
Like the backbone of
Reinforcement bar.
reinforcing, yeah.
And the aluminium, everything has been, how do you say it? Nailed? How do you, I don't know what's the
Riveted.
Huh?
Riveted.
Riveted, exactly.
Yeah. Or crimped.
Yeah.
That's what like I'm finding over there, bits of that, isn't it? Like.
So a riveted piece of aluminium with reinforcement bar like this. I've got a lot of wings back home. They all have this bar up here. So really cool to find it.
Or it was lying on the road and they just chucked it in a foxhole afterwards, but
Could also be.
see what's underneath it. That's the interesting part. We know no one's been underneath there for 80 odd years.
Yeah, the first one's here.
Yeah.
Right? First one's here. And
Is that a bit of red, that, or just rust?
that's a general rust color, mate. But
Yeah, nice.
yeah, we're gonna clean it with a high pressure hose, and then hopefully we'll find some markings on it or something similar.
That looks like maybe like a door there, or you know,
Oh yeah,
That's
damn,
like-
you're right, mate.
a window or something, doesn't it?
Damn right.
Junkers.
Oh mate, that would be so epic.
Any?
This would be the inside for sure.
Yeah.
But you're right about this.
Yeah.
You think you're right.
Any kind
100%.
Any kind of plane could have been and come over here and got shot down, couldn't it? Really, though.
Well, it's not been shut down here.
No, but it could. How do you know? It could have been.
No. The train track past
It
here.
could be strewn all the way down here, like where we found bits yesterday down there, pistons and stuff. The engine, you know. You never know. It could have just.
Nah, I do know. You
He knows the area. If they got told about.
you could check records for like airplane crashes.
Yeah.
And I do not believe a plane has crashed here. But still, it's very cool to find a piece this big. And
Is that right? That's paint there, isn't it? Is that not?
I saw traces of paint before, mate. So I
Not
do
there.
think we will be able to find, like, hopefully a camouflage or something like
You know,
that.
look on the
mate.
camera. It looks even better on the
That would be
camera.
really fucking cool.
Yeah.
So nice. Or like even, how they say it, markings from the factory. And a piece this big as possible.
Yep. It looks like it was painted white, possibly. Anyway, or is that just aluminium underneath that?
Aluminium color, right, yeah.
Yeah. Right. See what's underneath it. Get the rest of it, Bass.
Exactly.
There you go. Bottle.
Mark in his hole. And what did you find there?
A bottle. I think it's intact.
Oh,
I hope it's old.
it's nice.
I hope
Looks familiar to me.
Yeah.
Oh, cool piece, mate.
Yeah.
Lovely.
What is it?
I don't know, clear the bottom. You will be having a marking on it.
GB1.
Check. And there is a date on it, mate. Yes, look
Go on.
at that.
What is it?
A 40 on it.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. So what country is it?
Don't know yet.
It's got Grolsch.
but
It's got holes in it for like Grolsch bottle tops. You know, like a Grolsch bottle top.
yeah, I
Two
don't-
holes
I'm not sure, but
either side.
there are like some more letters at the bottom. So.
Oh, there's some there. Look. Oh, look at
Oh,
this.
bro!
Look at this.
Hoboken, I think it is. Oh, mate, lovely.
Hopsop.
Wow,
Hopsop.
bro! Drink the hops, or look at that. Says like, yeah, beer.
Yeah, German beer from World War II.
Well, I don't know. Clean it a bit more for hard. I think it's like Belgium or something.
Yeah, but they would have been in this trench drinking anything they could have got their hands on, innit?
Yeah, exactly that.
Yeah.
So show again, mate.
Nice. Look at
Oh
him.
wow! Yeah. Cheers.
Ace.
Pop.
I love that.
Look at this, guys. For hard, Hoboken. And Hoboken, that's actually in Zeeland.
Where's that?
It's like a province a bit further down the road.
Yeah.
And heavy fighting took place there.
Could have been sat here drinking beer.
Well, this could have also been the Allies drinking it,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
the
yeah.
Germans indeed. But hey, mate, lovely piece.
That's Ace. I love that.
Super cool. And a complete one.
Nice.
Awesome. And yeah, look at what he's got pulled out. All this stuff. Just
That's a great find.
that
Just
one
pulled
is
that
nice.
bottle
Like
from
eating
there.
kettle. See how Mark is doing there in his hole. Good, bro.
Yeah, very good, yeah. Like a ammunition case.
Ammunition case, yeah.
Have like foil on the top of it. You know, to protect the.
Keeps finding.
Protect the ammunition.
Some foil.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, let's keep going deeper, eh? There's more to find in the hole.
That's the top of a box, that there.
Just keeps going, eh?
Because that's like the top. Could be the top of the ammunition box.
And
you open that, and then it was like sealed with like a foil.
exactly. Who knows? Just gonna go a bit to the back. Find the leftover parts from the big battle here. Okay. It's a big one. It's a big key. Oh, it's actually bigger than I thought. K98 would be nice. Mate.
Sick tripod for a fucking MG42 or something.
Oh, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's a bloody fucking tripod, mate. Oh yes. Just here. Mate, this is a tripod. Yep. Just here, randomly. Unbelievable, unbelievable.
Deep.
Huh?
Not deep.
No, mate, just 10 centimeters.
A little bit of a burn there as well, isn't it? Like, that's the edge of the trench.
Yeah, so far I've been going there everywhere. I found casings, wartime.
Oh.
Great, man. It's just. So if you guys know from which type, then I'd be more than welcome to hear it from you guys.
That's sick, that.
What?
Found a bit more of a box.
You keep finding boxes, man. Like,
Good like that.
look at what he pulled out. Oh,
Look at this here, it's circular.
found this nice one just around the corner where Mark was digging. Tripod, machine gun. Oh yeah, great piece. Oh, Mark.
That all.
Look, Mark is digging there. These could well all be casings, Mark, or just pots.
It's that
Well, pots
badly corroded, it just crumbles when you touch it. Unfortunately.
All war stuff and best piece he found here. Beer bottle, complete. 1940 dated. Really epic piece. And here, part of a belt. Unsure what was on it, but it says like bayonet. Here, pieces of equipment. Mark, you might be able to clean this one very nicely, mate. It might have some markings on it.
Yeah.
Yep, I do think so.
It's all off. I wonder where it's all come from, all this.
Mate, it's just a big position which was here.
Bit of wire somebody's tied up 80 odd years ago.
Well, they used electricity back then, mate.
Yeah.
So. Yeah.
All sorts of stuff.
Rings, you've got your
Can't get none of it out of the ground.
bullet casings.
It's fragile, and you pick it up and it crumbles. Crumbles to nothing. But that acidity of the ground there, I think. Actually, it could have been a box. Well, it was a box, but
There's some of it. There's some more of it. There's some more of it.
Wow.
There's some more of it.
Oh yeah. This is a nice one.
roads and thought I found a belt buckle before, but that could be anywhere.
And oh, where is it? Here, check. German canteen you found. Really nice, really nice. So, day while we're digging, tell you that.
Let's go, let's go.
All right, Mark. So, what did we find today?
Well, what didn't we find today, mate?
Yeah.
What didn't we find today? Well, my star find was this, mate. German World War II canteen food.
Army green on it.
Army green. Bastards cleaned it up.
A
Look at
little
that.
bit.
See the like the belt strap
Exactly.
size for carrying it. Found that first, didn't I? And it took me about an hour to find that bit, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're there. All sorts of different rounds. I found these. four rounds from
Mark
the
found those. Buzz
from the
found
British
those.
side, basically, wasn't it? From where they when they first attacked. This was like the first attack on the position, wasn't it?
Exactly. Here's a small spoon, so it must be from the British. Nice. .50. Mostly British round. Couple of German ones. So we did our research and we found that that position was indeed attacked. And yeah, cool.
I found this.
Oh yeah. Maybe the best one even from today, mate.
Hop saw.
Right
His
here.
face. Look at that. A meter down in the
We
bottom
found
of the
a
foxhole.
beer bottle right at the bottom
How
of
I
the
didn't smash
foxhole.
that, I don't know.
For a hard Hoboken and nicely dated 1940. Yeah, true war relic. This is really epic. And yeah, signs of high electricity use at the position, so it could well be there was a flak located. German barbed wire and lots of airplane parts.
Oh, including this.
Oh yes, exactly.
Look at that.
Look at this. Very great condition. But that's not the biggest airplane part we found. Because Mark was digging his hole and he was finding all that stuff. I'm like, hey, I cannot fall behind. And we were finding lots of vehicle stuff,
Including that.
including this piece. And it just really reminds me of aircraft parts. And then you wonder,
Like rubber and hose.
why would there be aircraft parts in the trenches? Well, that's what I asked myself too when I found this piece of German aircraft. It's a huge chunk, as you can see, and it was dumped in a foxhole. Typical aircraft, the way it was revetted everywhere. Here we see a bit of a circle. So no clue from which airplane. I'm just gonna drop it down a little bit so you can clearly see. This is typical for German aircraft, the way the skin was built up. And here there used to be more parts. As you can still see the holes from the rivets. And just chuck it like that. And most likely during the last defenses of that area, they decided we're just gonna use that piece of aluminium for whatever, window cover or name it.
I'm hoping that's my 50 cal.
Well, no, this is a bit too big for your 50 cal.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
But
Far too big.
I think this is a Hispano aircraft around Allied. Pretty sure about that.
That, whatever that is.
Yeah,
Probably
loads
something to do with
of,
an
loads
aircraft,
of these
isn't it?
aluminium parts, which are
Yeah.
really
I
typical
like this one, me boss.
for
With
aircraft. Oh
the
yeah,
aluminium pipe wrapped in like rope, basically, like
Exactly,
a fabric.
yeah.
So you can see the rope at the end there, like how it's
like really isolation and
insulated.
insulated. Yeah,
Insulated,
exactly, that's
insulated.
right now.
So fuel, so the fuel doesn't freeze and all whatever. So
So yeah, great day, great finds.
okay, great day.
Really finds
Thank you
right
very
out of the
much, thank you very
foxhole
much, my friend.
from the battlefields. And well, I'm
Top
gonna
man.
give you the honor of closing this episode down. So yes. So stay tuned. We're gonna be having more fun with the mark. And for metal detecting part, we are done now. And we're gonna clean up and enjoy our evening. So cheers.
Thank you very much.